To fix this blue screen issue, you have to go to Startup Repair. You have to go to Windows key and then go to Settings. And from here, you have to go to Update and Security. And from here, you have to go to Recovery and click on Advanced Startup and click on Restart Now. Your system will restart with advanced options. It's the same for Windows 10 and Windows 11. Here you have to go to Troubleshoot, and then you have to go to Advanced Options, and you have to click on Startup Repair. This repair will automatically repair your system if there is any issue with the drivers or Windows installation or anything related to the Windows will be fixed automatically. If you are still facing the issue, again you have to go to Troubleshoot and go to Command Prompt Settings. From there you have to go to Command Prompt, and from here you have to type all these commands and try to run all these operations. Once this operations and commands are done, you have to click on close and just click on continue, which will continue to reboot your system, and you can see the system restarts and you can log into the home page without any issues. This will fix the issue. If not, just try updating your drivers, or you try to uninstall the latest driver if you have installed. This might fix the issue. Tell me in the comment section below the solution work for you. Give a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.